I know. So, talking about how good the service is in Turkey, they don't even sell glasses of wine. It's a special treat for me. And got some facts and knowledge from the Austrian girl. Anyway, on to the next spot. No matter where you go, it's a very artistic city. I would say it's on par with Tlaquepaque in Mexico or New Brighton in England. Oh, sorry, bit of privacy, but look. Hello. Whoa, 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 what's up with you? Kicking off as well. What's up with him? Lovely. Lovely. Oh, you can't. No. Thought it was coming with me to go and stretch out. Look at these little cat pens. Hello. Yes. Loves it. Absolutely loves it. What's over it? Look at the way he's sprawled out. I tell you what, if I was to sprawl out like that, I'd be called alcoholic. And it wouldn't be for the first time. My last employer seemed to hate my drinking videos. I was called an alcoholic. I was put under investigation for 10 months. 10 months under investigation, which I think is illegal, but they done it. Put me through hell. At least 4 charges of gross misconduct against me. And guess what the final verdict was? Oh, we might have jumped the gun a bit too quick. Can we draw a line in the sand? Can you fuck? Can you F? Oh, look at this dolly. I'm sure with equipment like that you can truly capture the beauty of Mardin. Right, where's this next place? Hotel. Cafe Kitap. Let's go check it out. Everywhere's marvelous. Look at this.
Hoş geldiniz hocam.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, I was going to go upstairs, but I'll come here instead. Yeah, that'd move me away from the girls if I was you too. Wow. Bingo. Cool. What a place, just everywhere. It's just unbelievable, to be honest with you. Well, seeing I've drank wine today, I'll come into the library to drink my Efes. I'm just inquiring if that's the full selection of alcohol. They have Carlsberg, Efes Gold, the malt stuff. Not my favourite. I'm going to get the most strongest drink available to me.
Bira, piva?
Beer, okay.
What pasta?
I'll go for the 2 gold. Thank you. So it was either Carlsberg or 2 gold. What a place. Look at the roof. Oh, thank you. So basically what you do is they give you a menu and it's like a tab. I went to my favourite bar, which you saw the first place I went to, and really enjoyed myself. I tried to complete the list, and then I started drinking with some high rollers, let's just say. I don't know why I done that, because they were. And the big G, the old guy, picked up my list and he's looking for the guy to pay it, and I was like, whoa, no. I don't know if you can see how sore my hands look. It's 1 month after I've done a hard day's labour, but I've paid for this in full, and I do not want people taking that off me. Oh, what a place. What a place. Pay up, and I suppose I'm going to have to walk somewhere after calling it in the intro Mardin walking wonders. I know you're all going, oh, we didn't barely walk. So you got your wish. Save your abuse. Actually no, keep the abuse, it helps the algorithm. I do this with water and everything, so. If you're one of the bros sitting at home, the girls are always like, why is he beating his chest? Why? Just makes sense, it feels right. Hello. 75 Turkish lira, it's like £3 something-ish. £3.25, something, I don't know.
Afiyet olsun. Hayırlı günler. Güle güle.
Thank you. Oh, that was slower than what I thought, putting it in. Weren't as easy as you can imagine. Hello. The cafe restaurant, which is also a booze vendor, is closed. However, that's a dead end, so I'm gonna have to make moves in other directions. And it's raining. Travelled 4,000 miles to get away from the rain of England, and look, it's here on my doorstep. Whew. Right. Should I end the video? Should I keep going? Should I go and check the tattoo parlour? Oh no, I need to walk somewhere. We need to walk. Everyone get the Instagram content. I'm going to see if I can swoop in fast. I see those hawks over there looking to get the Instagram picture, but I'm looking for a thumbnail. No, it's over. That guy's swooping in. Finished. But I've not walked down this road, that road, and there's a lot of, let's call it, art on the wall. Some graffiti not so good. Quite ashamed. Oh, look at all the dogs. Hello, mate. Oh, he's so shy. Come on. Oh, aren't you gorgeous? Shit themselves. What's in here? Looks like an underground car park. Probably not very interesting, but we're going to investigate anyway. Yeah, let's bounce. I was going somewhere off limits, you know, a little bit spicy for the content. Not to be. But this art that I was talking about, I don't know what it is, but it's very nice. I can interpret. What I'm getting from this is you've got Mardin, the G's protecting the place, and to show a bit of equality, you have some women and a child. What I've noticed with Turkish girls, specifically, I've not looked at the boys, wide eyes, so pretty. So pretty, and the artist has captured that in the child. Stop talking about children.